In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to connect Heyday with Facebook and whether or not it is possible to do this. To see if this is still possible and to demonstrate this, I have this new Heyday account that I'm just going to click on the three lines at the left side of the screen and then go into the settings. As you can see, as soon as the game is done, teaching me how to play, I can go over to the settings over here, and immediately you will notice that we have two options related to the account. We can either connect or disconnect our Google Play accounts, and we can log in using a SuperSAU ID. For whatever reason, the Facebook account option seems to be gone. It's not located over here, and regardless of which option we pick, even if we go into the advanced settings, as you can see, there is nothing related to Facebook. So as of today, in 2023, is there a way to connect our account to our Facebook account or recover an account that was connected to Facebook? Sadly, as you can see on the screen, according to the official Heyday Facebook page, in November of 2021, due to technical reasons, Facebook login will be expiring soon, meaning that as of today, or ever since 2021, Facebook login has been unavailable and it is impossible to connect Facebook to Heyday. As of today, you need to use a SuperSAU ID and it is impossible to recover or connect to Facebook. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Facebook is not available anymore for Heyday. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.